Yeah, but boss, this be where the small gate there. The small gate there, this side from here to here. That be where the gate go, close go. Yeah. Then this be the back. Yeah, the small gate at the end side. No.
Good morning, afternoon, or evening. Welcome back to the channel. And if it is your first time here, my name is G.P.G, and today we'll be looking at metal works with Frank. And he designs a lot of things with metal. So today we'll be going through some of the things that he has done in the past few weeks.
Hard working.
Who shall Rastaman of the West? Who shall Rastaman of the West? Rastaman of the West.
The gate, you know. Always small boy now, open the gate. What's the stress there? Funny, easy. Where your motor no buy. Yeah. It's a 13 years. See, a gate with the fix here. A color class 6 years, 8 years, grab it today. Yeah, and I'm okay. It's about just like that, mighty. The chef by this soup, and that was it. And the animal, yeah, gate nini. I don't know what I say. About on it or no small gate as exit inside. Yeah, small gate, and the panels are no pedal. Separate into no way you manner. Yeah, you know, when I arrive to fix it, you know, the concrete is very solid. You need to use power machine to, break all those things. Yeah, those are some of the workers as well you are seeing. Yeah, it's mighty. Yeah, go so. Yeah, come on, the bonfire. I'm more sure body now. Me, come on, why? I mean, be seen it. That was your.
So if this is the first time you are seeing Frank on the channel, I have his playlist here on the channel called the Metal Works. It's called Mighty Metal Works. So you can check in my playlist. You see a lot of designs that he has done for people also here on the channel. If you want to install your gate, your wall design, like what you can see right there, is being done by Frank. And one thing is that his brother is Segbedre Abraham, the guy who does the pillar designing. On the channel also, you can go to my playlist, you see his name, wall and windows design. And I would also like to use this opportunity to thank everyone that has used my artisans that I put here on the channel for their project. I thank you for believing in us, and trusting us with your project. So far I haven't had anything, so then I think everything is going on well. So this is one thing I really like about Frank. When you give your work to him, he keeps you updated with whatever he's doing. So he makes videos to send the owners every step, every stage. So maybe if you don't really like what he's doing, you can immediately tell him, or if you don't like the color, you can let him know, maybe the space. So this is one thing. Frank will always keep you updated with your project step by step. So if you need someone to install your burglar proofs for you, to do your burglar proof windows, doors, gates, Frank is the guy. So this was the initial coat, to protect the metal. This was the black gate we saw earlier on in the beginning of the video. This is how it all went, and then later sprayed it to be black. But first we use this coat to protect the metal before we go. So when it comes to Frank work, trust me, you will see the difference, and he travels across the country, so location is not going to be a problem for Frank. So that is his number on the screen, so you can give him a call or a WhatsApp.
There are other things other activities going on at the shop. This is what I told you that is going to Cape Coast. Yeah, that is one. And then this 8 gates to also be going to Cape Coast, like I told you. Yeah, thank you for that. Another one, Mighty Hands. metal work. Versace no. On se na etwa ne ho. Wow, hwe paint na ebo ho na silver no. Ah, Charlie. Guy we when ate why wan kire wadwuma. Ni madwuma too much. Nsa no so ye fe. Ya me nhira wadwuma. Yeah, from Tema all the way to Cape Coast. Cape Coast for more. Yeah, but life. Na me aduma. Ubehu. Thank you, brother AB. One of the opportunity we buy. The one junior brother I never get before. Man, I dey feel hey, run the gate. Quick one. Oh, and him so our handle also. Yeah. Smooth running. Smooth running. Where pressure be anymore. Pressure be anymore. And no cover. Return. Quick. Where moto nka ho. Se moto ba dia. Ene fala. Se na me kai. CCS akola private me be you. Trust me. Thank you. Oh, Baba Linda, when you I mean, sure, no, you can say, yeah. So, I'm a mighty opportunity, the Aba Cape Coast, our first time in time. Our first time, our Cape, Jumapa Kasa, Yadasi. Me, I'm honorable AB, Jumapaye. A day no, Charlie guy, no, a good fucking, yeah, AB, a good fucking, Virginity, yeah. Hello, father. Yeah, good afternoon. Yeah, this is the Burglar Proof. So, like I told you this morning, I've given the galvanized primer. Yeah. So these are the windows, the fixed ones. Yeah.
So that's Frank for you, updating the clients as always. Most of the times you give your job to someone and after you've made the payment, you don't hear from the person. And sometimes you even have to call and check and ask the person how is it going with the work and that kind of stuff. But with Frank, he keeps you updated to let you know what he's doing, if it's the right thing, if that's what you asked. Like I said, most people, they don't give you a call. They will just let you know that the work is finished, and then they will bring it on site, and it is a different thing. It is not what you really requested for. But Frank will always show you what he's doing. As you saw in my videos, these are raw videos that he shared with his client. From the workshop, he let them know what he's doing. Transparency and communication is the key in construction. So if you don't want to be hustling, with artisans doing your construction, Gigo Production Group is the place to come. We have everything, like I said, from start to finish. So you don't have to make things complicated and difficult for yourself. We are here to help you construct your dream house. So that's my number right on your screen. You can just tap it, send me a WhatsApp or send me email. Just request for any artisans you need. If you want to start afresh, then I'll just give the contractor's number to you, and then automatically you have everybody, working, because the contractor makes the plan and everything. So this brings us to the end of today's episode. I really do appreciate your time spent here on the channel. And please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next episode. Like, do we?